Hello and a warm welcome to a new BvL video. My name is Luke Overberg and I'm Product Manager in BvL. Today I'm introducing the VMix 33 in the triple auger range of the BvL mixers. The machine is equipped with 5 doors, 2 on each side and 1 in the rear of the machine. Each door has a width of 1.10 meters. The customer wants to have an illumination and cameras in the rear of the discharge system. So this enables him to have a good overview over the discharging. The machine is equipped with a compact feeding system. Compact feeding system means they have 3 special shaped augers and a sealing system to prevent that material is creeping underneath the augers. Compact feeding augers are equipped with a stainless steel lining system. This prevents the wear of the augers. Additionally, the machine is equipped with a stainless steel liner inside of the hopper. This also prevents the machine for wearing. This machine is equipped with a scale system called dairy feeder. The dairy feeder system is a feeding management program in combination with a scale system. This system enables you to collect data of your feeding. If you select these data, it gives you better overview over feed cost and a high feed efficiency. If you have further questions to our products, do not hesitate to contact the BvL company. Thanks very much.